No cameras allowed in the bathroom, guys. No cameras allowed. How you doing in there? You taking good shit? No? Okay. Alright. Anyway, yeah, we got some lug nuts up there. They ain't liking it. It's a little bit loose up here. A little bit loose, so we got a rigid tool right here. We're gonna try to get up under this, but I'm gonna have to lay in everybody's shit. I don't know what this moist liquid is. It looks a lot like piss. I don't. Oh, it's oily. Oh, it's oil. Oh, gosh, dude. What in the fuck? What happens when you find something like this? Do you... Okay, sorry about that. Do you dispose of it down the drain, I'm sure. Oh, dude, I don't even know what the fuck that is. That could be stagnant piss. Look, it's everywhere, dude. Oh, good thing we got hand sanitizer. My God. Yeah, here we go. We're all good now. Here it is. Hand sanitizer. Hand sanitizer. Now I smell like I've been drinking all fucking goddamn night. Now I'm gonna get fired for using hand sanitizer. What the fuck is this? Dude! Seriously. I can't even make this up. This is not even a funny intro now. I'm telling you. This is some bullshit. Fuck this shit is, man. I'm all up in this shit. I wear gloves, yeah. We elbows are all up in it too. We have to get up under these cabinets like this. Like this right here. Yeah. Oh yeah. Juicy, just loosey. I call them Juicy and Lucy. Look, the whole goddamn sink's gonna fall in on me. Dang it. Damn cube out of there. Just tighten this sucker up. I love this tool. Damn sink's moving. You know what? I might actually say the contractor's name who actually did this shit. But I'm better than that. Beats the hell out of a basin wrench. I'll tell you what. I don't know if y'all can see a damn thing. I don't love this rigid shit, but I'm laying in piss. Yeah, boy. I'm laying up piss. Yeah. I'll show y'all in a minute. No, don't tell me. The whole damn sink. It ain't even clipped down, bro. This whole damn sink moves. Look at this. Look at this. It's just sitting on the countertop. Lazy bitches. Y'all ain't use the damn clips. Come on now. God dang it. This is the shit I hate, man. Alright. I'm just gonna tighten this bitch. That's tight as I can get it. Alright. Oh, why am I laying on? Why the hell there's damn cornstarch up in this bitch? Good lord, somebody got some fucking chafing issues or something? What the fuck? Somebody got hand sanitizer right beside a bowl of goddamn what looked like piss? There we go. Look, you can't even turn on the damn faucet. This whole damn sink moves. Fuck this shit. Look at this. Careful who you let bid on your shit, man. Fuck. God almighty. You and your damn cornstarch bullshit. What the fuck's wrong with you? Guys, I'm Jeff Tomatoes, man. Thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing. This should have been the video. I came out of here going, what the? But it's not. Have a good one. Hey.